If your HVAC company ranks well for broad searches but disappears when the customer gets urgent, here are 5 fixes to win more of those calls. First, build a dedicated emergency AC repair page with Arnold relevance, same-day or 24/7 language, and a strong call to action. Second, optimize your Google Business Profile services for emergency AC repair, HVAC repair, and after-hours service. Earn reviews that naturally mention the jobs you want more of, like same-day and emergency AC repair. Fourth, show real service proof with technicians, equipment, job sites, and before and after work. Fifth, track money searches separately. Ranking number 1 for HVAC repair does not mean you win emergency AC repair. Want to know which searches may be costing you calls? Comment audit for a free competitor teardown.